Hello and welcome to this video in which I'm going to explain to you everything that you need to know about WOP India. Okay, my name is Shubham. I am also known as Branding Bum. I am the founder of Creators Club, and WOP India is an initiative that is driven by the Creators Club. So, welcome on board and let's dive deep into understanding what WOP is all about. Okay, let's begin. First, we have the top section in which we discuss a quick start guide which explains how do you navigate your way through WOP India. Second, we have all the kinds of different community rules, guidelines that you need to follow to ensure that you don't get kicked out of our community. Then we have verified badges. Now, within these verified badges, what we do is you get an emoji that you can use in front of your name that helps everyone recognize all your achievements and what value you have already gotten into the community. So, this is kind of like becoming verified in a way, like the blue tick that you have in Instagram, right? Next, we have the top featured section. Now, within the top featured section, we have BumBot, which is basically a replica version of me but put inside AI. You can ask any question that you have regarding WOP India and it will explain everything in details. Then we have live stream section. Within this live stream section, you can go and watch all the previous recordings, or whenever you want to actually see me online, when I come online on the live streams, this is the place that you will be able to watch the video. Next, we have like a Hall of Fame victory wall. Now, within this Hall of Fame victory wall, anyone within our community that has ever had any achievement, has won something, is going to be part of this. And then this is one of my favorites. It's called Anonymously Ask BB. Here you can ask me any question without having to reveal your identity. It can be on almost any topic. Just try to keep it like, don't go into NSFW kind of content. Next, we have the AMA forum where all my answers will start getting populated and you can just go watch it and you get the drift, right? Next is a very important section. It's also known as the important feeds section. Here we have all the different forums where you get updates on the news about India WOP, you get creator wisdom drops, you get creator stories podcast, you get all the information that you need to know about AI. You have also the bounty updates feed as well as the content rewards feed. In both of these feeds, whenever there is a new bounty that gets live or goes live, is going to be fed inside this feed, and you can go and you can just look at whatever bounties we had in the past as well. Next is my favorite, something that is the heart and soul of our community. This is our chat rooms. So we have the India WOP FAQ chat room, we have the friendly hangout chat room, we have a professional discussion chat room, we have collectibles where you can just drop in all your inspirations or best found resources and gems. We have ambassadors chat room, we have moderators chat room, we have stay anonymous chat room, and of course we have like the BB notes chat room, but that's not accessible by anyone else except for me. On the fourth section, it's about Creators Club. Here, once you complete your verification, you submit your videos and you actually get qualified, then you get an opportunity to become a trusted creator and have multipliers on your bounties. We have an entire list of all the trusted creators that you can visit and see whether your name is there or not. And you can also see this page in which I explain what Creators Club is all about. Now, moving on to the fifth section, we have something called Earn Real Money. And this is something that interests almost all of you. I'm pretty sure about it. Why? Because that's a very big challenge as a creator, right? Earning a living, because you don't know where your client will come from. You're so focused on expressing yourself, building your status, being seen, being heard, being felt, that monetizing all of this becomes another hassle in itself. And managing that finance is an even bigger hassle, right? So almost all creative and expressive people tend to stay away from this. But we're going to change that here. How? So we have an entire document that explains how you can start earning bounties. Second, there are different types of bounties here. So for example, we have the level 0 bounties, level 1 and level 2 bounties. These are also known as micro, macro, and mega bounties. The micro bounties are basically single digit payouts, macro are double digit payouts, and the mega bounties are basically 3-digit payouts or anything above 3 digits. All you gotta do is there are requirements mentioned within the bounty. Go, complete those requirements, and as soon as you finish and submit, the payout after my approval goes directly into your WOP balance. So that is how the bounties work. Let's move on to one of the most interesting topics of WOP that made WOP so successful and so famous that it is today. It's known as content rewards. And what you do in this content rewards is basically there is a long format video posted by a creator. You can go take the best snippets from that video, post it on your social media profiles like YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. And for every 1,000 views, whatever is the predefined number or the price, the CPM that has been fixed, you will start getting that payout into your WOP balance automatically, all handled by WOP. So this is super interesting because if you're someone who has been creating content so far in life and just for the views, can now monetize those views because that attention is now monetizable. The next one is basically a repository of all the jobs that will be live on our platform. So these jobs can be from third-party companies or it can be from WOP India itself. You can apply for these jobs. These can be contractual, freelance, retainer, or one-time as well. Then we have something called as buy or sell second-hand items. Now within this buy or sell second-hand items, you can list any of your gadgets that you have used or your softwares. Or if you want to buy something, you can even ask for that and you can list the pricing that you expect to pay or your budgets. And based on this, you will start getting inquiries and then you can take the entire transaction through forward with WOP. The next one is called Learn from Courses. Now, as you know already, this course in particular is part of the India WOP video course, which is like a walkthrough. We also have Earn inside India WOP. We have become an affiliate to Earn. We have Earn with Framer websites. We have Earn as an AI creator. We have Fix Your Health and Habits. And of course, my proprietary, the relationship method. Now, these courses are designed to be very digestible, bite-sized, in a way that it doesn't overwhelm you, in a way that you can take action, implement it in your life, and actually get the results that you expect. Although the results are not guaranteed until and unless you show up and implement everything as I have informed. But if you do so, then you will notice that whatever results you have been getting so far will get multiplied by at least 2x. There have been cases where people have applied whatever I've been sharing in my courses and they've gotten even 10x, 20x. Some have even gotten 50x results from all of this knowledge and information. The reason is simple. I've been working on all of this for the last I'm 31 now, and I started all of this when I was around 11. And the reason I started all this was because we had a family business and I felt motivated, I felt seen, I felt heard when I was able to help my parents with their business in whatever skills that I knew. I knew graphic designing, I knew marketing. I'm the tech guy, right? So I knew the computer and stuff, but my parents were not very tech savvy. So that is where it all began, and that is the root foundation of how I operate, what my values are all about, and why I'm doing whatever I'm doing with WOP India or Creators Club or with FindFlow also. So I hope that you're able to resonate with this mission and vision, and I hope that you're finding some value so far within whatever we are doing. Now, we have something in the 7th section called as the calendar bookings, where you can look at all the physical or the online events that we will be conducting in the future. We have a live streams calendar where you can see when I come online and you can join me. We have a one-on-one coaching section where you can either book a 10-minute free strategy session with me or a paid 60-minute strategy session, however, whatever suits you or whatever is your requirement. On the 8th section, we have India WOP support, where you can get like a landing page that explains how a brand can benefit by partnering with India WOP. We explain what is clipping, what is UGC. We have like a support help desk where if you have any challenges that you're facing within the community, you can let us know through this ticketing platform and we will look into it and resolve it as soon as we can. We have a moderator intake form because all the brands need to manage their submissions. So we have a lot of moderators that want to work with brands and make a living through moderation. So that's something that they need to explore from the moderator intake form. We have the community ideas bucket. Within the community ideas bucket, you can drop in any ideas you have that, or maybe suggestions you have, or features that you would like to see within our community that are going to completely revolutionize and change the way that we operate. These are not very technical in nature. I'm looking for innovation in community formation. So this is where you go, and the best ideas get bounties every week. We have a community roadmap, which is nothing but the community's ideas bucket organized in a Kanban format. You have your affiliate links that you can access through the Get Your Affiliate Links section. You have the weekly public change logs, in which every single week, whatever updates are coming inside of WOP India are listed in either bullet points or in a video format. You can go in and check what is new. On the 9th section, we actually have a very fun-filled section. So you can earn inside of WOP by playing games. So we have something called Real Bets, Real Money. Now what happens within Real Bets and Real Money is, I stream a game and you pick who the winner will be. The winning side gets the total amount of the pot divided based on how many ever tickets they purchased. We have a collaboration canvas where you can drop in anything on the big wall that we have, your drawings, your paintings, your love letters, whatever you want to share with the world. This is your place, this is your platform. And then finally, within the 9th section, we have send tips or donations. So if you're finding all of this valuable, then you can support us by tipping us or sending us a donation through this particular app. And then finally, coming to the 10th section of WOP India, which completes the entirety of how WOP India functions, we have bonus resources. So we have a lot of different Notion templates that will be accessible by you. We have all the bounties listed in a table format. We have content rewards listed in a table format. We have even the verified creators list over there. So you can go, you can explore these templates. We have like operating systems to create content, to manage teams, to manage your time, your habits, etc. And these are some really valuable assets that I have curated, collected, created in the last decade or so. Then we have something very interesting known as the dictionary of mistakes. You know, all my life, I made a lot of mistakes and I've failed a lot because of those mistakes. I wanted to somehow share and capture these mistakes and bring it to the world. So this is a crowdsourced version of building the dictionary of mistakes. You can go and drop in your mistakes as well. There are different categories. And again, each week, top mistakes that are dropped inside this get the most upvotes, win bounties. We have something called the breathing app, which will help you maintain a stress-free life. We have a list of around 100 plus AI tools, which are basically the top 10% AI tools of the world. And trust me when I say this, because I know that this is a gift that has been given to me by the Almighty, the creator of all the creation. Somehow I have the vision that gives me an idea and clarity on what will work for who. And that is what I've used in the last decade to create these resources and these tools, these top 10% AI editing tools for creators, right? So go look into them, explore, and let me know which tool worked out for you. Finally, we have WOP GPT. Now within WOP GPT, you can build your entire WOP page or WOP store for completely free using free ChatGPT model. This is something that I've created to help you get your WOP store, WOP page up and running. But remember something, just creating a WOP page is not enough. You need to have the right community, the right audience, because that is how you will bring in the engagement, the conversions, the transactions And that is what will bring in the money that you are expecting to earn through this journey. Okay. I hope that these videos gave you clarity on how to navigate through the different sections of WAP. Just go inside the sections and explore. You will see all the different possibilities that will unlock with this beautiful platform, and go finish your first few bounties, earn your micro bounties. Okay, I'll see you in the next course, the next video, where we will dive into understanding how to start earning money with WAP. We will also explore how you can onboard affiliates as well as creators for brands onto WAP India and make a consistent recurring income through this effort or this activity. I'll see you in the next one.